Assalamu alaikum, I'm your brother Abdissalam, speaking to you from the city of Makkah, the blessed city of Makkah al-Mukarramah, where just like many of you, we are also in a lockdown. There's a 24/7 curfew. Around the clock, you can only go out just to get essentials, food, drink, medication and things like that. And so just like many of you, I am bored. So what happens when we get bored? We get hungry. So I got a bit peckish and I thought, let's try and make some pakoras. Okay, so we have here some cut onions. I'm just gonna cut a few more because we need one onion in this recipe. So this is one whole onion. This was quite a big onion actually. And we're gonna put that put that in the bowl. Mix it up. Right, so it's nicely broken. I've got a few green chilies here. Right, you can put as many green chilies as you want, depending on your taste. You can cut them up, but I'm being really lazy and I'm just gonna grind them like this. So what we have here is some cumin. I'm gonna put like half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 spoon of ginger and garlic paste. I'm putting all of this in there. And by the way, this is the first time I'm making this, so it might not come out right. So let's see if we can get this done. Now I was supposed to put this in first, I just remembered. This is chickpea flour, so it's about 2 cups of chickpea flour. Let's put this in. Let me try and mix this now. These onions. You've got to be careful, it's going to go everywhere. Okay. And we have some, what's it called in English? Spinach. We got some spinach. We got basically 2 cups of spinach, so I'm going to put that in here. Now, if you've got fresh spinach, that's better. I didn't have any fresh spinach, so I'm using frozen spinach again. The recipe may not come out great. Yeah, and this is why. You can see it's just sticky. Okay, so we got a teaspoon of salt. You can put more or less. We've got some. This is the cumin. That what I put in earlier was actually ajwain. Getting it mixed up. What have we got here? We've got some dhania powder. And we have some red chilies. Now, again, you can put, I'm going to chuck a bit more in because I like things a bit sweet. We want half a spoon of baking powder. And we want just a 1/4 spoon of baking soda, right? So that's pretty much all my ingredients in there. I'm gonna mix it up. But one thing I need some water. So let's mix this up nicely. I'm gonna get some water now. Stay there. Okay, so I've got some water now. And no, this is not Zamzam, I'm afraid. I'm just going to pour it in. Now, the point is, you're not supposed to pour it in all at once because it's not. It's gone everywhere. Right, you're not supposed to pour it in all at once because otherwise, what ends up happening is it kind of gets a bit powdery and it sticks. My hands are all over the place now, as you can see. Water in, and I'm just literally mixing it. Can you press pause, please? So basically, I messed up the portions completely. So I'm trying to get some more chickpea flour, which I don't know where it is in this kitchen. So I had to ask my wife to go get it. Okay, so I don't have enough chickpea flour. As you can see, I put that onion was quite big, so I'm gonna actually put all of this into a larger bowl. And what we're gonna do is add some more chickpea flour. Yeah, that's much more like it. Okay. There you go. Now it looks a lot more like the mix. Right, so there you go. Got a lot more chickpea flour in here. I'm going to keep putting a little bit of water in, mixing it. I'm not good at this. I prefer to make roast chicken. This is a lot more complicated than I thought it would be. But now, because I've pretty much doubled the amount of chickpea flour, I'm going to need to basically double everything I put before. And now it's actually beginning to look like the right texture. I'm blagging all this because I've never made this before, but kind of looks right. Okay, so now we are ready to cook this. Okay, so we have our mixture, which basically looks like this right now. So as you can see, it's a really nice texture and color. And what we're going to do, now you can do this with a spoon as well, but it's better to do it with your hands, so I've been told. And what I'm going to do, I've heated up the deep fry pan, and now I'm going to go half heat. So I'm not going to go all the way up, right? So it's about half heat. Now the oil's already hot now, and I'm going to basically put a little bit in there. I think we need more oil. But that'll do. Make these slightly smaller. Okay. There you go. Ooh. Make sure you say MashaAllah, La quwwata illa billah, Allahumma barik. Go on your aim, guys. We're just going to cook a few. So now, right, my hands, look at them. After a while, you're going to turn it over, like so. Wow. They're actually beginning to smell really, really good. I think the next batch I might add a bit more oil to this. So I'm going to get some normal kitchen roll and just put a couple of these at the bottom to try and drain the oil. Okay? And then once these are ready, you can see by their color, about 4 minutes or so. Just make sure it's not on a high heat, otherwise it will look cooked from the outside, but it won't be cooked from the inside. You can turn them over again if you wish. Okay, so now they're done. We're just gonna pop them out. Be careful not to burn the tissue. And we're going to cook the rest off camera. And let these drain the oil a little bit. And then you have your onion and spinach pakoray. Mm. Mm. They're not bad. Delicious. So it is a lockdown, it is boring for many of us, but if you think about it, alhamdulillah, there are people around the world that are going through, many great difficulties and hardships, and all most of us are being asked to do is simply stay at home. So it is, a blessing from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He has allowed us this time to, turn back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala at this time of calamity, to build a strong and powerful relationship with Allah. Now think about all the goals that that you wanted to achieve. Like maybe you wanted to learn Arabic, maybe you wanted to learn something about the deen of Allah, learn about the seerah, or any of these things. And this is the ample and perfect time to learn about all of this, inshallah. I want to just do a little shameless plug here for Islamia TV. We've got a really special discount going on for Islamia TV where you can go through many different masterclasses. No, they're not about cooking, but they're about lots of different things like purification of the soul, like the seerah of the Prophet ﷺ, the life of the Prophet ﷺ. You've even got something about Ertugrul and the Ottoman Empire. You've got things, you've got how to give da'wah, how to call other people to Islam. You've got lots of different things. How to pray. There's another course called Spiritual Salah where we talk about how to really build that strong connection with Allah in the prayer itself. And so the prayer is not just a bunch of robotic rituals, and loads of other masterclasses with lots of speakers from around the world. So go to www.islamia.tv/discount and you get a massive discount for that. So do that today, use this time wisely. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm your brother Abdissalam speaking to you from curfewed Makkah.